Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Lincoln MKX guys and your navigation THX system doesn't work guys, that's a premium sound system, stay with us guys. We'll explain which two fuses guys you need to check. You have two fuses for that. That's what we'll be doing today. Easiest thing to do is to check the fuses because most of the times that will be the cause for it not to work. Now, we guys have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below, let us know if the video was helpful or if you have any questions. Let's start on it now. So we're going to go inside that 2009 Lincoln MKX and let me explain guys, okay, which two fuses guys now we need to check. Two of them, not just one. This is the sound system that we're talking about, okay, and if you guys come down here by the steering wheel on the driver's side guys, okay, right here, check this thing out. Okay, you have one cover now, this one, slide it, grab it, pull it, okay, like that, and you have a fuse box underneath guys. So we have to check a couple fuses now here, and the fuse, okay, the first fuse guys to check will be fuse number 18. So that fuse guys, okay, I don't know how I will be able to show it to you. Okay, let me grab that thing down. This is guys, okay, I'm trying my best to get the camera in there. Okay, this is guys the second fuse. Okay, that second fuse in the middle, the yellow one, the second one from top to bottom. This is guys fuse number 18 right there. This fuse needs to be checked, and there is one more fuse guys, okay, that you need to check, and this fuse guys, it's actually fuse number 38. Okay, and fuse number 38 guys, okay, it's this fuse right here. Both of them are 20 amp fuses, so if you need to check them, check those guys. Hopefully that will fix your problem. One of them is for the, actually is for the sound amplifier as well. Okay, and when you're done replacing guys, if you need replacement fuses, check out, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Really good price on these fuses guys. So if you work on cars, definitely guys, it's worth the investment. You just pay the same price that you're going to pay just for a couple of fuses at the parts store, and you get a whole box of them, so you have so many. And when you figure out which one is burned, ours was fuse number 18, I replaced it earlier. Okay, and later turn the ignition on and your sound system should work guys. Okay, let's check it out now, if it's going to turn on or not. It may take a little bit of time, okay, to turn on. Okay, perfect. After guys, okay, perfect, right there, it's coming on. After you replace the fuse, why is like that? Okay, it's because guys, it has to communicate, it has to turn everything on and off. So after you replace the fuse, don't give up, okay, just give it a little bit of time. Okay, perfect, right there, you can see it works now. So hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to any of you having that problem. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.